Imagine being able to combat brain tumors, not just through standard treatments, but also with the food you eat. A new study has ventured into this promising realm, exploring a modified ketogenic diet for people with brain tumors. Published in the esteemed medical journal Neurology, this study focused on a diet high in fat and low in carbohydrates. This dietary shift is believed to alter the body's metabolism, shifting it from carbohydrates to fats and proteins. The study's subjects were individuals with a specific type of brain tumor known as astrocytomas. All participants had completed the standard procedures of radiation treatment and chemotherapy. The diet, which was deemed safe and feasible, led to metabolic changes in both the body and the brain. Although the study was not designed to determine if the diet could slow down tumor growth or improve survival, it brought something new to the table: hope. So what exactly is this diet, and how was the study conducted? Let's delve deeper. The participants followed a type of ketogenic diet known as the modified Atkins diet, with intermittent fasting for 8 weeks. This diet is characterized by a high intake of fats and a low intake of carbohydrates. Participants indulged in foods like bacon, eggs, heavy cream, butter, leafy green veggies, and fish. They had regular meetings with a dietitian at the start of the study, and then every 2 weeks. The diet combined carbohydrate restriction with high-fat intake for 5 days a week. For 2 days a week, participants engaged in intermittent fasting, consuming up to 20% of their recommended daily calorie intake. The primary objective? To see if this diet could be followed without serious side effects. The results of the study are intriguing, to say the least. Out of the 25 participants, 21 completed the study. Nearly half of them, a solid 48%, stuck to the diet religiously according to their food records. But what's even more fascinating is that urine tests revealed a whopping 80% of the participants reached the level where their bodies were primarily using fats and protein for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This is what we call reaching a state of ketosis. Now, while this diet was generally well tolerated, it's important to note that there were 2 serious side effects observed during the study. One was unrelated to the diet, while the other was possibly linked. But by the end of the study, we saw some promising changes. Metabolism in both the body and the brain had altered. The diet was not only well tolerated, but also led to significant metabolic changes. So what does this mean for the future of brain tumor treatment? The implications of this study could be far-reaching. The modified ketogenic diet, high in fats and low in carbohydrates, has shown that it can safely alter the body and brain metabolism of people with astrocytomas. This shift might potentially starve cancer cells of their preferred energy source, glucose. However, let's not get ahead of ourselves. This study is a stepping stone, not a conclusion. It's crucial to remember that more extensive research is necessary to confirm whether this diet can indeed inhibit tumor growth and prolong life. Moreover, the study had its limitations. The high degree of interaction between participants and the study team may not be practical in a larger study or routine clinical setting. While it may not be a definitive answer, this study certainly opens up new avenues of hope and research in the fight against brain tumors.